Guys, I'm sorry, 2 negative videos in a row. That's not what this channel's about. We gotta be more positive, but man, those videos really bring home the bacon.
What the f?
Oh, never mind. It's January. That doesn't matter. I'm not in this for the money. Well, I guess there is that one time I did that. And that, and that, and that, and that, and that, and that, and that. 70 miles dash camera. You're driving back from the park with your family on a lovely Sunday afternoon, and someone comes screaming across the median and hits you at 100 miles an hour head on. And what, may I ask, are you gonna do whenever your insurance rates go up because they deem it as your fault?
Well, that sucks.
Well, lucky for you, dash cameras are incredibly affordable and easy to install. And they're gonna protect you from all the idiots out there trying to ruin your life. It's so important to have a dash camera. I've said it before, I'll say it again. Easily the most convenient and simple install I've ever had to do with one of these dash cameras. You just lick it and stick it, pop on the 4K dash camera, plug it in, and you're ready to go. You're protected now. This 70mm dash camera boasts a bunch of cool features like Ultra HD 4K resolution powered by Sony's best-in-class image sensor. It's also rocking 70mm's night owl vision and has smart parking guardian mode. You just have to get the additional hardware kit to activate this parking mode. There's a great degree of security with this too, because not only do you see out of the front, but you also get to see out of the back with the rear view camera that is included with this set. The installation is not intimidating in the least, so if that's what's holding you back from a dash camera, you gotta hop on board now because technology has caught up. I mean, even Steve could do this. It's too affordable, too convenient not to have. And one day, you're gonna thank me for picking one of these up. It saved my butt in the past, it'll save your butt in the future. Thank you guys so much for the support, and thank you 70My for sponsoring this video. Hot roast, man. We got all the stuff in there. You can't see it because the meat is covering, but I promise you that is going to be some heat in about 8.5 hours. 9:46 right now, should be ready just in time for dinner. Do not skimp on the seasoning around here. I load it up with like some Cajun seasoning. I always do this shot at the beginning of the videos, point at my truck, be like, hey, there's the ZR2. We're gonna be doing stuff today. And the windows are so smudged up and people are like, man, your house is dirty. I clean them every day. I promise. It's this guy's nose and this girl's nose. They leave me some artwork here on the windows, nice and smudged. The ZR2 is jacked up apparently, so we have to go fix it on our own because the Chevy dealership and the Chevy warranty are total scams. Liars, crooks, whatever you want to call them. But you know, I don't know for sure. Maybe it is as bad as they say. So let's go over to the shop and see what solution my squirrel brain can come up with. Yeah, she looks good under some lighting. This looks good. I could get used to this. I need a garage. I need one. But not right now. Gotta get the check engine light off first. So let's take care of that. Hopefully, I do a walk there. You know, I don't know why I set this thing on a tripod. I did a walk around of this machine. Couldn't find anything wrong with it. I don't know. Everything seems to be acting all right other than the stupid electrical issues. That wasn't it. She is very dirty. My God, I gotta get these taken care of. Thank God I have a wrap on this thing. I already went over this. And if you can see just, no, you guys aren't gonna be able to see that. Just under the skid plate here, this little vent, there's one up here on like the main part of the grill. You can see the little fan blades. I'll put an arrow. There's one and there's another. These are open. This is for airflow. But the one down here where there's like a little second radiator is closed. And it looks like it's bent for some reason. Also, that ain't good. Whatever that is, that's like dislodged. The only way to get to it though is to take off the skid plate. And hopefully, we're gonna see if this is what caused our problem. If it needs replaced, maybe I can just pop it back into place. Better yet, Chevy could just cover it under warranty. Let's get this apart. That is a way smaller skid plate. You guys can't see it, but way smaller than the second gen Colorado ZR2. Also, I was thinking about painting this. What do you guys think? Painting this black maybe? The only problem is it doesn't really cover up the scars that it normally does. That's the reason they make it this color, because it's so easy to blend. So it looks like right here we have another steel plate. I don't really know how easy that's gonna come off. See 2 bolts, and then God only knows what's up in here, but we'll keep digging until we get stopped. See, this fin is like caught behind the other one. It's pulling it back there. I wonder if I could just pop it back in. Yeah, you can see it's out of the little housing that it's supposed to be in right here. I don't think it's broken though. I think I can just pop that back in. This looks a little bent too. Is this supposed to go in front or behind the radiator? Oh yeah, I don't know. Anyone know this? Where does that go? That's a little bent. All right, anyway, doctor, here's our patient. Whatever this part's called. Yep, just popped out of place. That's all it looks like. It's just goes back together like a puzzle, I guess. All these rails line up, and then these got to go in the hole. Oh, you can hear that little motor. It's probably not good for me to be forcing it open and closed, but it's at least aligned back up on the rails right now. And nothing's broken, nothing's snapped. There's no pieces of plastic that were manipulated in a way that they don't look perfect. What this is useless. It's stupid. It's a junk piece of plastic that I don't need, that probably saves me about a shot glass worth of fuel throughout the lifetime of this truck working. Active cylinder shut off, or whatever it's called. You guys know what I'm talking about, the new stupid trendy thing that car companies are doing where they have a certain amount of cylinders and say a V8 or even a V6 shut down so you're only operating on so many. Or the auto stop that this truck even has, where you come up to a stop sign or a stoplight, it shuts off for like 0.3 seconds, fires right back up because you weren't gonna be there for long anyway. They did a study on this. It saves like a can of soda worth of gas, and the wear and tear on it just doesn't make up for it. It's so stupid. Something like this is supposed to be this eco-friendly crap that if I had the choice, because it throws a check engine light, I'd throw in the trash anyway. It's and I got nothing against saving the planet. This is not the way to do it. These stupid, bureaucratic, government tongue-twisting lies. They weave their webs. They try and trick the population into thinking that we're saving the world, when all we're doing is complicating things to fake it. This is stupid. Stop putting it on an amazing machine, dumbing everything down. And it's a cast, something that is binding my vehicle and stopping it from reaching its true potential. And I have to put it back on and hinder its performance to make the EPA happy. Junk.
Bobby, 2 commercials in one video? Yeah, this is way too important to not tell you guys. I would feel guilty if I didn't.
This is our biggest giveaway ever.
No, you're dumb. This is the biggest giveaway ever. GMC Ultimate plus $50,000 cash. Now a dual giveaway where anything you buy from 717supply.com not only gets you entered to win that beautiful truck and the cash, but now a TRX Lunar Edition plus $30,000.
Buy anything from the link. Our tactical line is still up, but supplies are dwindling. So if you want to enter, this is the best time for the giveaway.
This gorgeous GMC Ultimate
And your choice of wheels, you get the off-road setup or the stance look, and now a gorgeous limited edition TRX.
I'm just like you guys. I'm at the gas station. I buy that stupid little $5 scratcher. I never win any money. And the biggest prize on there is like, what, 5-10 grand?
They're useless.
This is life-changing. So if you're going to take a chance,
Do it on something worthwhile. 2 beautiful trucks and a buttload of cash. Let me change your life, because my small little group of fans here have won before. Let's do it again. Thank you guys so much for the support, and good luck.
frosty morning out here.
Hopefully, everything is all fixed.
The fins are shut on the front here, but so are the ones on the top. That might happen whenever you shut the vehicle down. I don't know. But everything looks good to go.
All right, moment of truth. Oh my God, it's out. Why, Chevy? Why did you do this to me? I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm so happy that the light is out, but like, I mean, that's it. That proves it, that this was just all, that was a lie. The part was not broken.
Betrayal.
To wrap this up, this is a rundown. This is a 3-video series. For whatever reason, I didn't know it was going to get this out of control. What happened was Chevy sent me an email. My check engine light came on and said I need to service my engine and transmission immediately. Big problem. So the next video, we take it to the dealership, try to figure out what's wrong with it. And the dealership said, hey, it's going to be close to $1,000 to get this fixed. And this video, we figure out what the problem is and fix it in 30 minutes. Now, 15 of those 30 minutes was me goofing around filming. I mean, if I really wanted to get this done, I could have got it done in 10 minutes. It would have taken no time at all. For a part that wasn't even broken, just had to pop the plastic back into place. One of the easiest fixes I've ever had to do on a vehicle in my life. This brings up 2 points. For such an easy malfunction, why is Chevy not warranting that? Just doesn't make much sense to me. And 2, why would the dealership try to charge me $1,000 for a part that's not even broken? Pretty terrible what the world is turning into. I mean, it's crazy with like inflation and everything out there right now. Like, this stuff is going so sideways that it's just crazy that we're also losing like business integrity. Maybe it's been gone for a long time, but I don't remember it ever being this bad. So on the bright side though, we're going to stick with the Colorado ZR2 for its life cycle. I think what we need is like a refresh now. After such a stupid negative video series, I think we need just a total refresh. So what we have on the plate here is bigger tires on the way with some new wheels, a bunch of modifications that are going to take this to this Colorado ZR2's level. For those of you that don't know, that was the first Colorado that I owned, and I loved it. So very excited for that. Also, I think we're going to shed the wrap, and I have to talk to a few sponsors here, but I think we are going to go with that like mantis green, lime green wrap. So imagine this truck with all the modifications I just described, and I left a lot out because it's a surprise, but all of that in this cool like lime green color. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. And then after this, I need your guys' help because we are gonna take a different path in life. Tacoma Trail Hunter, I think that's what it's called, or the Ranger Raptor. You guys let me know down in the comments, because whatever the fans decide, you guys run this channel. I mean, you're the reason that this keeps happening. I keep posting videos. So whatever you guys want, I'll buy, modify, and off-road. Sound good? Likes are always appreciated. Follow me on Instagram, rfracing717. I post a lot of new stuff there before YouTube, so if you want to get like the inside scoop, that's the place to be. And that's it. It was a rough ride for the last 3 videos, but I hope you guys are pumped. The new mods in the future, let's get it.